Today I stand before you not just to speak, but to ignite a fire inside you. A fire that may have dimmed because of life's struggles. A fire that may be buried under doubt, fear, and uncertainty. But make no mistake, that fire is still there. Each of us is born with a gift, a purpose, a unique light that the world desperately needs. But too often, we allow that light to be dimmed by the voices of doubt, by society, by failure, by people who don't believe in us, and worst of all, by our own minds telling us, I am not good enough. But I am here to tell you, you are enough. You are powerful beyond measure. You have inside you everything it takes to achieve greatness, to rise above challenges, to create a life that is not just ordinary, but extraordinary. The battle within. The greatest battle you will ever fight is not against the world, but against yourself. Against the part of you that whispers, you can't. Against the fear that tells you, it's too hard. Against the voice that says, maybe I should just settle. And I tell you today, do not settle. Do not settle for a life that is smaller than your dreams. Do not settle for less than what you deserve. The road will not be easy. There will be days when you feel like quitting. There will be moments when you wonder if it's all worth it. But in those moments, remember why you started. The power of belief. Everything starts with belief. The greatest athletes, the most successful entrepreneurs, the legends of history, they were not born extraordinary. They became extraordinary because they refused to let failure define them. They believed in themselves when no one else did. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Walt Disney was told he had no imagination. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. But did they stop? No. They believed in something greater. And now I ask you, do you believe in yourself? Not just when things are going well, not just when people are supporting you, but in the moments when you are alone, when no one is clapping for you, when success seems a million miles away. Because that is the moment that matters most. Turning pain into power. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your greatest teacher. Every setback, every failure, every rejection, it is not there to break you. It is there to shape you, to make you stronger, to prepare you for the greatness that lies ahead. Think about it. A diamond is just a piece of coal that went through extreme pressure. A sword is just metal that endured intense fire. You are no different. Whatever pain you are facing right now, whatever struggle is weighing you down, it is not the end of your story. It is just a chapter, and you have the power to turn the page. The world needs you. This world does not need more people who just exist. It does not need more people who give up when things get hard. It needs warriors. It needs dreamers. It needs fighters. It needs you. It needs your ideas, your strength, your passion, your voice. There is something inside you that no one else on this planet has. And if you do not step up, if you do not unleash your potential, the world will never know the magic that only you can bring. So today I ask you, what will you do with the fire inside you? Will you let it burn out, or will you let it light up the world? Will you let fear hold you back, or will you step forward with courage? Will you listen to doubt, or will you believe in the power within you? The choice is yours. Life will not give you success on a silver platter. You must fight for it. You must work for it. You must be willing to go the extra mile, to push past exhaustion, to rise every time you fall. Because in the end, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is you. So rise up, stand tall. Chase your destiny with everything you've got, because you are meant for greatness. Now go and claim it. The power of never giving up. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and dreamers, tonight I want to talk to you about something that separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Something that turns failures into triumphs, struggles into success, and pain into purpose. That something is the power of never giving up. Life is a journey filled with mountains and valleys. Some days you will feel unstoppable, like you can conquer the world. Other days you will feel lost, defeated, and exhausted. But let me tell you this, those dark days, those painful moments, those struggles that make you want to quit, they are the moments that define you. Imagine a child learning to walk. The first step is shaky. The second step ends in a fall. Again and again they stumble. But do they stop? No. They get up, they try again, they fall, and they rise. And one day, they take that first confident step, and the world opens up to them. That same principle applies to your life. You will fail. You will fall. You will get hurt. But that does not mean you stop. Some of the greatest people in history faced unimaginable hardships. Albert Einstein was told he would never succeed. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first job. J.K. Rowling was rejected by multiple publishers. What if they had given up? The world would have never known their brilliance. Now I ask you, what about you? What dream lives inside your heart? What vision keeps you awake at night? What passion burns deep within you? Are you going to let a few failures stop you? Are you going to let fear silence your voice? Are you going to let rejection define your future? No, you were born for something greater. You were born to overcome, to fight, to push past every obstacle standing in your way. There will be times when people doubt you, when they tell you it's impossible, when they laugh at your dreams, when they say you don't have what it takes. But let me tell you something. They don't decide your future. You do. You have a fire inside you, a strength you haven't even discovered yet. And every time you refuse to give up, that fire grows stronger. So today I challenge you. The next time you feel like quitting, push forward. The next time failure knocks you down, stand up. The next time someone tells you you can't, prove them wrong. Because the only way to truly fail is to stop trying. And you, my friend, were born to keep going. You were born to rise. You were born to succeed. So go out there, fight for your dreams, and never ever give up.